Hi guys, come with me as I unbox my new laptop. So I got this Asus Vivobook and about 2 days ago I've been a little busy, so I've not been able to unbox it. So come with me as we do so. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Yes, I've not opened it, so let's do it, guys. So I have this here. Let's cut this open. Okay. So this is how it looks like. Yeah, drum roll please. Let's do it. Dun, dun, dun. So this is it. Let me show you. I love this little detail over here. Let me show you up close. Yeah, it's sleek. It has a metallic cover and I like how it looks. Yes, so let's open it and get to the real deal. Okay, so this is how it looks like when you open it. Wow. It has a 180 degrees tilting. Yes, I got this from Best Buy under $500 and I love it so much. Okay, so it comes with a charger. Yeah, this is how the charger looks like, and manuals for you to get how to use it. I'll look into this later. Okay. Yes. So let's get to the main deal. Yeah, let's turn it on.
Turning on without first connecting the power only makes you this powerless. Always read your manuals first.
So this is how it looks when you turn it on, guys. I'm just trying to set it up. I think overall it's a good purchase and I hope it lasts for 10 years. Okay, that is it for today's video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, it's a bye.